Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have a small haul to share with you guys. And first I wanted to show you this. I got my passport from my cruise. So excited. I can't share it with you because it has personal information, but I just wanted to share that I got it because we were worried, me and my dad, if we were going to get them in time, and we did. He got his the other day, and we did them on the same day, so I was like, where's mine? And today I got my birth certificate back, so all is good. So first I'll share what I got from Ali, and then we'll go from there. I have a project to share on Saturday that I already made with one of the Ali projects. But so I got this book die from Ali. It actually makes a book, 2 books, 2 different sizes. So got that. Then I got this set here that there's a coffee mug in here. Let me open it. If I can find where to open it at. It's hard to see on these things. Is it on this side or the other side? Sorry guys. I don't have any dies right now, otherwise I'd have them on dies. I mean magnets, sorry. So it makes this coffee mug, and you get a straw, you get the Christmas tree, you get a snowflake, a bow, the lights, you get the whipped cream, and you get the backer for it, and the cream, so you get the backer and that. You get a candy cane, the 2 pieces. You get this little banner pieces, get some more snowflakes, and then you get these little stars. So you get a lot. If you need any of the links, just let me know and I'll give them to you. Then I got this stamp set that also comes with the dies for the tags. So that's nice. It says joy, wish, hugs, to, from, merry and bright, jolly, love, holy, bless you, and gift. So I liked that. So I got that set. And then lastly, I got this set here. Oops, everything's coming out. And I'll show you what it makes. I used the small one, and it's a ribbon holder. So I even used the little piece to show you that you can do this. There's no way I'm going to do this on every card because that was a lot of work. But you do the backer, the back piece, cut that out, and then they have another piece to top it off. And I used pattern paper for that. And then I used some ribbon that I just got from my dear friend Leah, who's Bay Window. And I put a stick pin in. And this is perfect for holding your loose trims and ribbons. So I love that. So that's all I got from Ali. And then at Walmart I picked up these buttons. I really liked them. I liked that they were thick. Like they're different from any other buttons I have, and I liked the natural color. And you got all different kinds in here. And they're wood. I think there might be some plastic in here, but there's also wood in here. So got those. Then on Amazon, I picked up these bulb pins. Let me show you. Well, here's the number in case you need it. But like I said, if you need a link, just ask and I'll provide it. So it comes in this container. And I got the one that had some multicolors, and I paid around, I don't know, I think it was $6.60 or something, or $8.60 for these. And I got the dark metal, silver, there's black, gold, white, yellow, purple, blue, red, and aqua, or teal. And I liked that they were different colors. So I picked those up. And then from Kindred Stamps, let me show you their little thing they sent me. Do I have it? Yeah. So this is Kindred Stamps. They sent me a little thank you. Your support means the world to me. Find us online. And here's their information, in case you're interested. And then they sent me this cute little button that I'm probably going to turn into a magnet. And they had sent me a message because it was my birthday and you get points for your birthday. And I had got points from purchasing from them before. And I had enough for $5 off. So I went over and I saw that they came out with a new Wizard of Oz set. And I've told y'all before that mine and my dad's favorite movie is Wizard of Oz. So I have their first Wizard of Oz set by Kindred Stamps. And this one's called Journey Home. And I think it is so stinking cute. So it says, you've got heart, something wicked this way comes. Have courage and be kind. If the broom fits, fly it. May your journey always lead you home. I'm over the rainbow for you. Don't make me drop a house on you. And it has all the main characters and everything on it. It has the flying monkeys. It has the Wicked Witch. It has, what's her name? Oh my gosh. Starts with a G. I don't know right now. Toto, the Tin Man, the Scarecrow, the Lion, and Dorothy. Isn't that awesome? Gilda, I think her name is. So love that. So I picked that up, and it pretty much paid for shipping. Is what it paid for. And then on eBay, I found this Doodlebug planner, and they had it pretty cheap compared elsewhere. And I really wanted a, it's not a planner, it's like a journal, like a travel notebook. Let me open it. Let's open it, if I can. I don't know if I can open it on here because I don't know how to get in it. I don't know, guys. Oh, maybe. Sorry for the noise. Yes, I can get in it. I hadn't opened it yet. Say, let's see what it looks like, because I haven't seen it. Okay, so it looks like this, really cute. It has this strap. You open it. Oh, it's so cute. So you get pockets over here on the side, a little window. You get this cute gingham insert. You get one. It has blank sheets. So I'm definitely going to have to get some more inserts. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 of the things. And here is another pocket here. Oh, how cute. Look, there's a bee. Oh my gosh, I did not even know that was in there, guys. There's a bee on a paintbrush. So cute. Okay, love this. That is so cute. Okay, so now you know what it looks like I do. So cute, guys. All right, so I got that. And then the last thing I got, so I discovered this through Tina because she showed from that resale shop that she goes to. She showed that she had got something from the rubber stamp Tapestry. So I was like, I wonder if they're even still around. And guess what, guys? They are. So I went over and I checked out their store, and they have some really cute stuff. And I knew that they did because of what she shared. So I placed an order because, and I'm going to be going back because they had a lot that I actually liked. And then they sent me a little thank you card, and they hand wrote me a note. They thanked me and they said, we hope you love your stamps and they bring you lots of joy, Rebecca and Donnie. That is so nice when small businesses do that. And I got 2 sets. And that's where you can find them, at pegstamps.com. And they're rubber stamps Tapestry. So I got the Gingerbread Heaven. Isn't that cute? And I told you how much I love. So I got that. Hold on, guys. Okay, so the Gingerbread Heaven comes with all of these pegs you see in here. And you stamp them and you make like borders like this, and you fill up however you want to. You can fill up a whole page and make a collage, or you can just do a round and then stick something in the center. I mean, the ideas are endless that you can come up with. And from what I understand, you can go to their site, and they also teach you how. They'd have tutorials on their page on how to use it. They send you postcards on where to go, how to use. They have the Scan Me to see the Nook. So exciting. And they're not ridiculously priced either. So love that. And then, you know, I had to get this once I show you. It's called Chamomile Bee. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love it. So you get all of these, and there you get that hive, you get a bee, and you get those pretty flowers and that vine. Isn't that cute? So I can't wait to make some projects and then come back and show you guys. But they had some other sets that I'm eyeballing. Here, let me hold it like that there, so now you can see it. Really cute. So yeah, so if you need any links to anything, just ask me and I will provide. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you. And go enter my giveaway. It's really easy and fun, and I think I have some really good prizes. Okay, love you guys. Bye.